Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how to put on a protective filter onto your camera lens. So in this case, we have the Nikon f2.8 80 to 200 zoom lens. This has the ED glass autofocus, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to put a Tiffon filter. In this case, it's 77 millimeters, right? So what you do is you take the lens cap off, right? Then you carefully take the filter out of the case, right? Then it just carefully thread it on. There, it's on. Right now, I don't think you ever want to take it off, but if you did, it would just be the reverse process, right? So we'll put it on like that, and you can put your Nikon cap over top of it. So everyone, please like and subscribe. If you want to see the unboxing of this video, please check that out. Or if you want to see the test shots, check that out too. It'll be in another video. Thanks for watching.